PHP crude tutorial. Okay, again, thank you to Mike Dalisay, who is the author of this code of a ninja. So last two videos, we already created our database structure and our header files, our template. So now we will go into our part 3, 4 actually, creating record in PHP the OOP way. Okay. So the first thing to do is we have to create a file called createproduct.php. So you see this one. So dito, let's close this one. So we have to create new file, Control S. Ano nga ulit yung file name? We have here createproduct.php. Okay, so we have here createproduct.php. So next is, okay, we will put this one sa file natin. Lagay natin dito. Okay. So we have here, we will set the page headers. So we have the create product form, yung pangalan title ng page natin. Remember, in the layout header, we call the page title. Then we have to set what is the page title. Okay, so far yan, no? Nakalagay na yung title. Okay, page. Yan. Okay, so the other contents will follow. So sinet muna natin yung ating page title, then yung ating mga header files, template, layout header, and layout footer. Okay, sunod is we will create a read products button. So I will copy this one, okay, this one, and it will be put it here. Yan siya ilagay. Okay, so it will be echo. Okay. So, ang tawag dito, kung gusto mo mag-display ng HTML tags sa loob ng PHP script, okay, you have to use echo. Yan. Kasi remember, nasa loob ng PHP script. Nasa loob siya ng PHP script. And we are doing also the bootstrap part. Okay, we just create a button here. Okay. Sunod, let's create a database connection. Okay, so we will copy this one. Okay. Config database PHP objects. Again, lagay muna natin to, although wala pa tayong file nito. Sabi dito, put the following code before set page header comments. Okay, saan yun? Set page ito dito, before daw. Before. Okay, so dito, paste natin. Okay, so we have here, okay, yan na lang natin ha. Ito yung mga connection natin, pero wala pa tayo nito ha, gagawin pa natin to. So our database connection, our object, OOP nga tayo, so the product object and the category object. Okay, then after that, we will now create our connection. Ko-connect tayo. Okay, then we will call our object. Okay, we will call our object. Pero wala pang ano to ha, wala pa tong code. Okay, sinet pa lang natin yan siya. Sinet pa natin. Okay, so yan. Next is, nakalagay rito, create a database configuration class. So, create a config folder, and inside that folder, create database.php. Okay, so we will create, okay, a config folder. So create a new folder called config. Yan. And inside this one, create a new file called database.php. Okay, so itong si config si database.php, kung mapansin nyo, ito yung connect.php natin dun sa earlier code natin. So, kumbaga, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, sineseparate natin ng folders lahat, yung mga kailangan. Okay, this is the proper way actually. Okay, then nakalagay rito, you put this one. Okay, put natin this one. Yan. Okay. So if you notice, pareho lang ito nung ginawa natin na connect.php. Iba nga lang. Okay. Since we will be using the private host, DB name, private, ibig sabihin ito, para dito lang yan. And public, ibig sabihin, pwede mong tawagin itong $con na to sa iba't ibang klaseng files natin. Kasi bakit private? Connection string lang naman natin yan eh. Okay, ito yung connection string natin. Okay, so itong con, pag tinawag mo to, ibig sabihin, ko-connect ka sa database natin. Okay, balikan natin yung ating create product. Okay, so ito yon. Okay, so create a new database. Kasi database yung pangalan ng ating ng ating file. So new database. Then we will get the connection. So ang connection natin will be the $db. Ito yung connection string natin kasi pinasa natin yung connection string sa isang variable. So every time na ko-connect ka sa bawat product and bawat category, kailangan mong tawagin si connection string natin. Okay? So ito yon. Okay, next, ito nakalagay rito. Open create product.php and replace this one ito with the comment here. Okay, so we will copy this one. Yan, copy natin. So lagay down natin dito sa, ano yung nakalagay dito? Okay, create product HTML will be here. So we will put this one here. Yan. HTML yan. Okay, so I think ito yan siya. Meron lang tayong form here. Okay, tama ba yung ginawa natin? Teka. Create product HTML form will be here. Ano ba yung create products natin? Okay, so dito. Yan, kung makita nyo sa baba ng echo natin. Okay. So, i-close na yung HTML. So, here. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa baba. Yan, sa baba yan siya. Tama yung ginawa natin. Okay, sa baba. Okay, so far, so create tayo ng table. So, wala pa tayong laman yung category natin. Wala pa. Then, after that, ano bang gagawin? Okay. So, replace categories database will be here. Ito. Yan. I-insert natin si PHP. Naalala niyo yung sa ano natin, sa select course na na object dun sa PHP code natin. Ito rin yun. Category lang ang ginamit natin. So, we will put this one. Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay. Balikan sa taas. Okay, so database natin, nag-connect na tayo sa ating database. Naka-connect na tayo. Eh, pagdating dito, okay, nag-connect tayo sa ating product table and category table. Okay? Ito yung model natin. Model ang tinatawag. Okay? So this will represent our products table and this will represent categories table. But, wala pa tayo ingani. Gagawa pa tayo niyan. Wala pa. Okay, kaya hindi pa natin niraran yung program. Wala pa. So, ngayon, if you notice here, okay, tinawag natin si dollar category para basahin yung kanyang code. Basahin. Ito yung read na command. Function, rather. This is our model and function. Model, function. Okay? Saan galing to sa itong category? Ito yun yun. Yan. So kung ano yung naman ng category natin, table, ito siya may hawak nun. So meron tayong function na read. Okay? May function tayo na read. Then kada ilulup niya ngayon yan. Dito kasi gumamit siya ng tawag dito while. Yung ginagamit natin puro for each man tong ni Agi. For each. So ito while naman to. So again, if you notice, meron tayong extract, another command, another function yan. Another function, this is also a function. Mamaya, i-anin natin yan. Kinokompleto pa natin yung template natin. Okay? Then after that, ito, we will create now our object class here. Okay, we will create that one. So sabi dito, gawa ka daw ng objects folder, then create ka ng category.php. So here, we have here, create a folder called objects. And inside object, create a new file called category.php. And category.php. Okay, remember, tinawag natin si category dito. Ito yun siya. Yan. Okay, now let us connect this one. So, another code. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. If you notice here, okay, ang connection natin, category, ito yung pangalan, no? Class name natin. Class name, class name. Yan. Yan. Yung database natin, ito database, database. Okay, so, we set a private con. Okay? Kasi yung con natin, pwede mong tawagin yan kasi nakapublic siya. Pero pagdating sa category, gagawin mo lang siyang private para sa iyaha lang. Then, private table name, categories. Categories, ito yung ating table. Yan. Ito yan. Okay? So, we have a public name and ID. Para saan ito, sir? Ito yon. Categories, ID, and name. ID and name. So, public yan kasi papakita natin yan dito sa create product. Okay, then, connect tayo sa database. Connect. Okay, yan yung code natin. Then, the function read. Remember, tinawag natin si read dito. Yan. Natin si read. Then, after that, okay, so select ID and name from anong pangalan ng table name natin. Then, order by name. Then, statement, variable, this, con, prepare. Alam nyo naman yan. Prepare natin. Then, execute. Then, i-return nyo lang si statement dito. Yung kanyang value. Kung anong output nito, i-return niya ngayon. So, ito ngayon yung laman niyan. This one. Okay? Yan yung laman niya. Okay. So, after that, if i-fetch na ngayon, wala pa tayong extract yung category, another function yan. Okay, but we will go to that later. Then, ano ba nakalagay rito so far? So, yun. Okay, so another thing is, gagawa pa tayo ng read name. Read name. Para saan ba si read name? May tinawag ba tayong read name dito? So far, wala pa. Read name. Okay. So, ito yon para sa ano. In category, it will get the category name instead of showing just an ID. Add the following code inside the category.php. Okay, so we will add this one. Read name function. Category. We have here this one. Ilagay natin. Yan. Yan. Ito yung pagkuha ng mga categories na sinelect mo. Yan. So, pareha lang yan sila. Okay. Then, limit 01 sabihin, isa lang yung kailangan mong kunin. Then, alam nyo naman to, bind param, yung dati bind value gamit natin. Ito, bind param naman siya ngayon. Then, execute, then it will get the name. Okay? So, yan yun. So, later on, may kita natin lang yan. Sineset lang natin yung bawat commands ng category.php. Okay? Category.php. So far, so good. Muna, unahin natin. Ito muna, hanggang dito muna tayo. And we will see each other ulit sa part 3.2. Okay? O, 3.1 na lang. Part 3.1. Okay? Thank you sa inyo and reserve your questions and God bless.